cover story. This week we catch up with Harsimrat Kaur Badal, the MP from Bathinda. In fact, she will be contesting a second term from this constituency. So we talked to her both about state and national level politics. We are here in Bathinda and we'll be talking to the candidate from SAD, Harsimrat Kaur Badal. Ma'am, this is your second election from Bathinda now. So, how did you see, first of all, your first stint in Parliament?
I think Parliament was not a very joyful experience. As a first-timer MP, I was rather disappointed with the functioning of the Parliament. As you know, it's probably the worst performing Parliament. The 15th Lok Sabha has been the worst performing Parliament. So for a first-timer, that was disillusioning. But working in the constituency has given me great joy, and I think I need to be thankful that our government was in power in the state, because otherwise, if I didn't have any power to do anything in my constituency and not being able to raise any issues in the Parliament because it doesn't function, it would have been a total failure. So whatever I have been able to do, I'm happy because I was able to do because of our government being in power here. But as far as raising issues, when the Parliament doesn't function, it's very sad that the ruling party, who's supposed to ensure the functioning of the Parliament, often ended up playing games to ensure it didn't function. So, it was, all one saw was this blame game happening where they blame the opposition, but they do things to ensure, for example, when there's a scam and the entire opposition is asking for the resignation of those ministers, the entire session would be a washout because Congress would say, no, they're not resigning. As soon as the session gets over, 4 days later, those guys are kicked out. They bring in the Telangana bill 3 days before the session. I mean, why not bring it 3 days before the end of the session so that at least the session functions?
What about, BJP is a party aligning with their flip-flop on Telangana. Sometimes they said yes, sometimes they said no.
No, I don't think so. I think they were always very clear that they were for Telangana, but they wanted, like everybody else, they wanted it debated, they wanted it discussed, and they wanted whatever both sides issues to be addressed, whatever reservations both sides had, those needed to be addressed, which is fair enough, because I don't think that any government sitting in the center should have the power to divide a state if the people of the state don't want it.
When the blackout happened, what was happening in the house?
No, I frankly, I didn't waste much time in the last session, because after spending a week there, I realized it was going to be a washout, as had the earlier 2 sessions.
Right.
So I decided to come. I knew the elections are going to be announced, and I wanted to finish my last minute work in my own constituency before the Code of Conduct, because as you know, the code will come in and our elections are going to be towards the end. So we'll have like a 3-month gap before the elections actually happen. So, all the works which had to be done in these 3 months, I wanted to just ensure that they were all on ground and they would not be stopped because of the Code of Conduct. So I didn't bother spending, wasting time there. I'd rather be doing concrete work on ground.
But I've been hearing